Situated directly on the water, this serene shingle-style home sits at the end of a quiet street in beautiful Barrington. The home's open floor plan offers a relaxing atmosphere to fully appreciate the coastal setting. A wall of windows lines the airy first floor, allowing for light to come in off the water and illuminate the hardwood floors. The comfortable kitchen and abutting central dining space make for a lovely combination to host gatherings. The convenient first-floor bathroom has a glass door shower and doubles as a laundry room. The living area in the rear of the home is a perfect spot to relax with friends and family as natural light comes in from the windows and the glass door slider. The rear deck of the home is an ideal environment to dine and unwind with friends and family as the waves crash against the shore. A private dock extends off the deck into the Barrington River. Upstairs are 4 bedrooms, including the master, with wonderful water views and a charming full bath. This winsome home is directly across the river from Barrington High School, part of the town's award-winning school system. The downtown area provides you with plenty of locally owned dining and shopping options. Barrington has its own town beach along with other seaside attractions like the Rhode Island Country Club and the Barrington Yacht Club. Explore the town and the rest of the East Bay area along the East Bay Bike Path. Commuters will enjoy the 20-minute drive to downtown Providence and its amazing arts and culture. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jan Lyle Malcolm at area code 401-447-9217.